What's up, everybody? It's Lily from Siser North America. Today we're going to talk about jerseys and how to apply HTV on them. A few tips and tricks for you, whether you're decorating one for a baby shower or 21 for an entire team. These tips and tricks are sure to help you out, so stick around. So here's everything you're going to need to decorate jerseys successfully. You'll want a heat press for the best results, heat transfer cover sheet, heat transfer pillow, and then you'll need some HTV and a jersey. Today my jersey is polyester mesh, so I'm just going to use standard Easy Weed. If you had something that was mixed with spandex, you'd want to use Easy Weed Stretch, or if you had something that was a sublimated polyester, you're going to want to use Easy Weed Sub Black. But regular polyester, we can use regular Easy Weed. So after you've cut and weeded your heat transfer vinyl, it's time to move on to heat application. Easy Weed can be applied with a home iron, but I'd suggest a heat press for the best results. Mine is set to 305 degrees and it's ready for us to get going. So one of the things to remember when you're decorating a jersey is to do one side at a time. So we're going to apply the front and then we're going to apply the back. You could apply the back and then you could apply the front if you wanted to. I just like to start with the front. Other really important thing to remember when you're decorating mesh is to put a heat transfer pillow inside. You could also use just another cover sheet to block any adhesive that's going to travel through those holes. You don't want to seal both sides of your garment together, so a pillow is going to prevent that from happening. So first things first, we need to pre-press our garment. Put your heat transfer cover sheet on top. And this will give you a chance to adjust your pressure if necessary, and it also gets any wrinkles, moisture out of your garment so it's ready for your heat transfer. First layer is white Easy Weed. So we're going to put a heat transfer cover sheet right on top, and then we're just going to tack this guy for 1 second. So it just releases from the carrier and we're ready to put on our second layer, and then they'll shrink at the same rate. We won't have any gaps and we won't have anything in misalignment. Easy Weed is a hot peel. You do want to go careful on that first layer when you peel back the carrier. Because it is only tacked, there might be a little lifting, but it's all going to get pressed down when we do our second layer. Second layer is this beautiful Vegas gold. Lining it up. Still want to do that heat transfer cover sheet on top. And this time, we're going to press it for the full 15 seconds. You want to be gentle because everything is going to be hot. It just went underneath 305 degrees of Fahrenheit. And peel back that carrier ever so gently. I always tuck mine over so I don't get stuck on it later. And then this is, I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear it. It is, you can feel that the adhesive is stuck to that pillow a little bit. If I didn't have that pillow inside, this garment would be sealed shut. But it's not, because I put my pillow in. So there's that front. We're going to do the same process on the back. So now on the back of the jersey, we're going to put a name and number. I've got my white Easy Weed ready to go. Heat transfer cover sheet on top. And again, we're just going to do that 1 second tack. And peel the carrier hot. Final layer going right on top. I'm lucky in this case that the carrier covers the entire first layer. If I had it anywhere that it would be overlapping, it might leave a little impression line, but we don't have to worry about this in this case because the carrier covers the entire thing. If you ever do get an impression line from your carrier, you can always cover it with your cover sheet and just press it again for a few seconds. That'll knock it right out. Carrier sheet on top. Alright, when it beeps, you know it's ready to lift up that handle. And now we can peel that carrier back. Now remember, the pillow is going to be hot too because it's been underneath there for all those presses. See how it's stuck on there? There you go. Super cute. Decorating mesh is super simple when you keep these tips and tricks in mind. If you learned something today, please hit that like button. If you're not already subscribed to us, please subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. I'm Lily from Siser North America. Thanks for joining me on Clued Into Crafting.